What up? It's your boy, Fleece Gazebo, over here with Dammit Studios, YouTube's favorite channel, all time. Today, we're going to be doing a tutorial. I'm going to be teaching you how to do a Suicide Boys style bass. Now, this bass itself is very versatile. You can use it in many different things. It's not going to only be overpowering. Because when you think of Suicide Boys, or at least when I do, the bass lines, it's a lot of bass. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is open up Massive, bring in a new sound. You only need the one oscillator. You're gonna take this oscillator, bring the pitch down to 24, minus 24. You're gonna change square saw 1 to sine square. You're gonna change your wavetable from square saw 1 to sine square, and you're gonna take that wavetable position and you're gonna take it till just before it's all the way down. You should have that kind of sound. Next, we're gonna go into our envelope number 4, turn down that attack, bring the level down, and make that decay to about the T on one shot. Sounds good so far. Next, we are gonna be bringing down the level again, kicking the attack over. Now this is going to be a happy balance between getting this point in between this little space and getting this line in between gate and that square. So the way I do it is I turn attack to about that arrow and turn the decay out. Even then, I was still a little off. That looks pretty beautiful. That's nice. It won't make any sounds until we drop our envelope over to our pitch envelope over here and kick that to 20. It's gonna give you that punch that you've really been looking for all your life. Once you have that, you're gonna be coming down here to Telly 2, and you're gonna be turning your dry, wet, and drive to about this line right here, the bottom line on mix. And you're gonna do the same thing here, just match them. Then we're gonna go to EQ. We're gonna take the high shelf and we're gonna turn it down to about the bottom of this H on the left side. That looks pretty good. Next, we're gonna be taking our low shelf and you're gonna be turning your low shelf up to about where the corner of this B is. On my desk, but they're real. Once you have that, you have the structure of the sub bass created. That is it. That's all you needed to do. Now, when I said this was versatile, I meant it in the way that your wavetable position will give you different sounds, but just as much bass. Change your wavetable to something else ridiculous, like sine triangle. Who even uses sine triangle? Honestly, who uses sine triangle? That sounds pretty nice. think that's about it. I'm gonna switch it back to sine square. I like that sound a lot more. But that's about it, guys. It's super basic, super simple. If you didn't get it, watch the video a couple more times. I don't know, 20 times, 50 times. You'll get it. Alright, on behalf of Dammit Josh Studios, this was Fleece Gazebo. Check out our Instagram, check out our Facebook, check out our Soundcloud, check out our YouTube. Either way, hope you enjoyed. New tutorials coming soon. And yeah.